So I have friends that I've acquired throughout the years that want to give me advice about this fast that I went on. Oh, don't do that. It's dangerous. Oh my God, what flare? Oh, shit. I'm a nurse. I'm a nurse. You can't do that. You can't do that. Well, you're fucking trained on the system that fucked me. You were trained by the medical staff that put me in the situation that I'm in. I love you all dearly, but please let me do what I'm gonna do. I'm fine. I just went through a 100-hour fast. You know what? Our ancestors went through fast like that. They weekly until their next meal. They didn't carry around frickin' refrigerators and food packets. The American medical system sucks. The Western medicine is out, okay? It's good to put your body under stress. Yes, watch your fluids. Yes, we're not into the training of that anymore. But your medical beliefs, you're trained by the system that screws us, okay? Do you know who I listen to the most? A retired Navy SEAL. And the only thing he told me was watch your fluids and don't watch your salt intake, okay? That's the only thing he told me. He's trained to do all this, okay? He's trained to survive. You big pussies. Get your nose out of the American literature and try something for a while.